Hi everyone, myself Vartika. Basically, I am from Bihar and I have completed my Bachelor in Information Technology from Asansol Engineering College in 2023. And I was looking for a job. Then I came to across about Vision TechnoServe, and Vision TechnoServe is an IT recruitment and consulting company. After joining Vision, I got to know about many technical skills like CCNA, networking, Windows administration, ITIL, and troubleshooting. These trainings help me to know a real time exposure, and the training was very excellent, and the trainers are very supportive, and they teach each and every topic on theoretical and practical basis. And they also conduct regular mock interviews. And today I am selected in Accenture with 3 LPA. And I highly thankful to Sati ma'am, Rukshar ma'am, and Ganesh sir for proper guiding me. And I also thankful to each and every trainer who teach each and every topic very clearly and nicely, and so I can understand each and every topic on theoretical as well as practical basis. And I really recommend each and every juniors and freshers to join a Vision TechnoServe and make their career better and enhancing. Thank you.